Hello, how are you people doing? Hello, my name is Banhi and I am a broke ass beauty guru. Ding. Many people have always asked me, why have you started your YouTube channel? Even I have this query that why have I started this YouTube channel? Well, I have always been very passionate about makeup. I mean, when I was a kid, I used to dance and I used to do my makeup. I mean, I started dancing very early age of 4 or 5 years old. So from then, I have created a relationship or established a relationship with makeup, and especially after long years when I graduated from my university, I started working internship. Mostly people wanted to give me exposure but no money, and after that I started full-time job, and then I went again doing theater and TV shows, acting, etc. And then also I had to come close to makeup. But even after all that, it was very hard. It was hard to justify spending huge amount of money on it. I didn't want to, or I did not have any money to spend on expensive makeup and skincare. I barely had any money for food. Instead giving up on my love for makeup, I decided to find very cheap ways so that I can work it out and work everything out inside my own budget. That's how Low Budget Beauty, my YouTube channel, came about. A YouTube channel where you can watch me show you how to get gorgeous makeup looks and products that costs less than $10. Well, 750 rupees. Whether you are looking for tips on how to do your eyeshadow or want advice on how to find cheap but effective makeup or skincare product, I've got you covered. I also love talking about my personal experiences, many different stories. I am a storyteller and I love to talk to people, which is you. I love to talk about my personal journeys about makeover or my mental health, everything. You will see plenty of stories sprinkled through here and there in my makeup videos. So if you want to learn more about me, my makeup journey, products, and hopefully you want to feel less alone, because I feel less alone when I talk to you people, go ahead and check out my channel and hit the subscribe and bell icon.